Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss equation of a straight line. Okay, the 11th one they have given, find the point of trisection of the lines 4x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. If this point lies on the line 2x minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4, find the value of k. Now here we need to find out the point of intersection. Point of intersection of these two lines means we need to find out the common point which is lying on the equation, the first equation and in the second equation. We have to find that particular point. It has to be lie on the third equation. If it is going to be lies means then easily we can find out the value of a solution. If the lines If the lines 4x plus 3y is equal to 1, 3x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4 are concurrent we know very well concurrent, it is nothing but passes through the same point, passes through the same point. Then easily we can find out the value of. So here concurrent, it is nothing but we have more than two lines. Okay, so here all these lines, it is going to be intercept on the same point. Then this particular point we used to call it as concurrent. Okay, now here we need to find out the value of x and y by taking two equations. Now I am going to take equation 1 and equation 2 by using eliminating method. By using elimination method, it is nothing but making coefficient same. So here we have the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. The second expression we have 3x minus y. When you shift this plus 9 to the opposite side, it will become minus 9. Now I am going to make the coefficient same, the coefficient of y. So here we have 3y and here we have y. So just I am going to take the second equation, I am going to multiply with 3. So the first equation implies 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. The second expression, just I am going to multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9x minus 3y is equal to minus 9 3s are 27. So here we have alternative sign. When you have the alternative sign, just we can add here. So 9 plus 4, it is 13x is equal to plus 1 minus 27, will get a minus 26. So x is equal to minus 26 divided by 13. So x we got here, it is minus 2. So this is the value of x. Now I am going to find the value of y. Substituting in the equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. Okay, equation 1 we have here 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. X value, it is minus 2. Just I am going to substitute here. 4 into minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. 4 2s are 8. We'll get minus 8 plus 3y is equal to 1. When you shift this minus 8 to the opposite side, it will become plus 8. So 1 plus 8. The value, it is 9. 3y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 by 3. So it is nothing but y is equal to 3 we got. Of intersection of the point of intersection of the given lines, 1 and 2 is, the x point it is a minus 2, y point it is 3. It is nothing but minus 2 by 3. Therefore, the point minus 2 comma 3 lies on the line 2k minus 1 into x minus 2y is equal to 4. We know very well because it is a congruent. When it is congruent means the same point which is lying in all the lines. So here, so I can take here x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3. Just I am going to substitute in the third equation to get the value of k. So 2k minus 1 into x value it is minus 2, minus 2 into y value it is 3 is equal to 4. Now further if we simplify this, we'll get minus 2 into 2k, we'll get a minus 4k, minus into minus it will become plus 2, 2 3s are minus 6 is equal to 4. So minus 4k is equal to 4. When you simplify 2 minus 6 it is minus 4. Minus 4 when you shift opposite side it will become plus 4. So minus 4k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8 divided by minus 4. So we'll get k is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of k. So finally this is the answer. Okay, the 12th one they have given, show that the lines 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, x minus 3y is equal to 6 and x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 are congruent. What is meant by congruent? Congruent it is nothing but here two or more lines are said to be congruent if they intercept at the single point. So here the intersection it is going to be the single point. So this point we used to call it as congruent point. Okay, now here they have given three lines, three equations of the lines. 2x plus 5 is equal to 1. This is the first equation. 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And the second equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is the second equation. So we need to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. Point of intersection. So point of intersection, easily we can find out the value of x and y. Okay, now here we have the two equations, the first equation and the second equation. From these two equations we need to find out the value of x and y. The first equation, let it be here. Just I am going to write 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. The second expression I am going to multiply with 2 because to make the coefficient of x as same. So just I am going to multiply by 2. So we'll get here 2x minus 2 3s are 6y is equal to 6 2s are 12. So we got now. We need to change the sign. So just the second expression, just I am going to change the sign here. This plus it will become minus and this minus here it will become plus and this plus it will become minus. So plus and minus it will get cancelled. So 5y plus 6y you will get 11y is equal to 1 minus 12 will get minus 11. So y is equal to minus 11 divided by 11. Y is equal to minus 1 we got. Now we need to find out the x value. Just I am going to substituting y is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 we have here 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. Just I am going to substitute the value of y. 2x plus 5 into y value it is minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2x plus into minus it will be minus 5y is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1 plus 5. So x is equal to 5 plus 1 it is 6 divided by 2. So we got x is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 3. Therefore the point of intersection the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2 is, we have x pointed as 3 comma minus 1. So this is a point. If this point lie on the third line, x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0, then the given lines will be congruent. Okay, now just we need to substitute x value, y value in the given expression. Substituting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. So this is the third equation. So equation it is x plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. So x value it is 3, y value it is minus 1, plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3 plus into minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3 plus 2 it is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So we got here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the point 3 comma minus 1 also lie on the equation 3. Hence the given lines are congruent.